Hi, I am Alan Chan, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. And I'm trying to teach you how to make a Unity initial Unity ads on YouTube videos. And I'm trying to tell you the truth that the banish ads do not work because of the Unity engine advertisement plug in use will not work because it doesn't have not have the S. It's not updated yet. 2019 only have the older version. 2018 and this is 2019, which does the Unity banner does not work. Uh, native one as well. The only one that works is the video ads and the reworded video ads that I cannot skip. But video ad can be skipped it as a when you're watching it when they're watching it. And there's a test mode for one of the code down here. Test mode. Test mode down here is true. When you publishing your own actual application, you put as false. Because down here it controls if testing advertisement are used instead of production advertisements. It means put as false after publishing it. Uh, just go to Unity Hub. Uh, click new 2D. Um, inertial ads test inertial ads create. And go to Unity Ads Portal on Google search. Click this one with a min with UnityAds3D.com and min. Create develop, create new project. Claim as temporary, so I might be deleting after in case you took my game ID instead. After I finish two of the YouTube videos. Temp ads. Uh, go to operate project, temp ads, as temporary ad, turn on and operate. Click enable ads. You don't have to do anything, just testing it. Um, settings, project settings. You just need this to game ID. Don't need to focus on this other stuff. File, build settings, Android, switch platform, player settings, resolution, defaults, orientation, portrait, other settings. Put a lightning gravity or any company's name. Control C to copy it. Control V to paste it. Control C again. Publishing settings. Key store. Create new anywhere. Name as user if you like to. Type in the password. Oh, whoops. Oh, this password is this. I'm not gonna publish it even. Type in the username as well. Add key. Yes. You can leave this on if you like to. Before I say grinder experimental, but it's not really true. Before I just about to say by mistake. Editor, device, and Android device. Exodus. Uh, window. Asset store. Go to Unity. Type in Unity monetization. Click here. Always click update. Don't just import it. You can see you always have to update since some kind of server programming or something in this Unity package that we want. Let it down. Don't worry, it's free. Then click import. Import all. Exit. Um, go to hierarchy. Right mouse click. Button. Um, 0, 0 X on X Y axis. When you're clicking button. And text as show ads. Right mouse click on this. Click on create C sharp object. Ads manager. Copy this one. Control Z. um, just copy this. Down to here. this, delete this too. Copy this. I'll actually copy this. For the Apple one, iOS. Control Google Play Store. Copy this from start down here. This is test mode. Put as false with put it as you can put it as public. Oh, game ID should be no capital D to make it works. Put it as public when you save it. You will have this option. Oh wait, I have to put a game object first. Wait, maybe I'll show you afterwards. Put this down here. I'll compose it as private because you don't need this tab to be public. Copy this and put it down here. Just type in show and ter star ads down here. And copy this. If you want to show inertia, not rewarded at video. And delete this. And semicolon. I'll just delete this in case it doesn't work. I just want to copy what I used to always do. I click save. Um, must create object. On hard key, right mouse click, create empty object. name as ads manager, and click this and drag and game into game object. So this will appear as add components C# script. And before I told you the test mode that if you show up in public, if you have it in public and test mode, it means it will show you have option of true or false boolean. Is this false? Testing actually. Uh, and click plus. How to gain is drag this game object and instead of dragging the script down here. So drag this down here. Add ads manager. Show initial ads. Yeah, this one is correct. Click. Okay, let's show you an example. What if I turn off the Wi-Fi? Disconnected. And disconnect it again. It won't work. The ads won't work. It won't show ads. It's some kind of server programming that I have. When I automatically connected, when I refresh the whole thing, it will work all of a sudden. See? But this time you don't have to use your own cell phone or BlueStacks because this is all Unity ads. It's just freshly come from Unity. Yeah, so this is how you make it. In the second video, I'm gonna show you the rewarded ads with the same temporary game ID before I deleted my temporary game ID. Yeah, thank you.